Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a clean, slightly drier canvas, exfoliate gently, moisturize sparingly, then blot so the product grips. Once done, apply a thin layer of concealer or lip primer to neutralize pigment and help waterproof lipstick adhere longer. Next, you outline your lips to define edges, then with a steady hand, place the first thin stroke of color from the center outward. This first coat sets the base and prevents patchiness, so make sure it's even and not gloopy. Once the base coat has set, you add a second thin layer to build opacity and evenness, using a lip brush where precision matters. Make sure to blot lightly with a single-ply tissue between coats so excess oils and product are removed. That helps waterproof formulas cure faster. Then, place a tissue over your lips and dust translucent powder through it. This seals the pigments without looking chalky. This step is why waterproof lasts. You create multiple thin, bonded layers rather than one thick, unstable slab. You finish by perfecting lines and adding the final thin top coat depending on the finish you want. A gloss or a light waterproof matte sealer will lock and shine or prevent transfer. Once done, press lips together on a tissue to test transfer and blot any excess. If edges need cleaning, use a cotton swab with remover for crisp lines and then reapply tiny amounts. If flaking or uneven wear appears, remove remaining product with oil, reprime the area, and rebuild using thin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.